Good morning, it's Saturday and let's have a quick Tagalog WOTD and our Tagalog word ay Himay. Kitchen is messy. Kararating lang namin galing sa grocery store and naghahanda kami para magluto ng ulam. Our Tagalog word ay Himay. Himay. It's what I'm doing right now. Naghihimay ako ng malunggay. Karaniwan niyong maririnig ang salitang ito sa isang taong inihihiwalay ang dahon ng gulay sa tangkay. Gaya ng ginagawa ko ngayon. Naghihimay ako ng malunggay. Some would say that the English word for himay is red. Well, yes, but there's no single English word for the word himay. Naghihimay ako ng malunggay. Well, how come now I'm saying naghihimay ako while I said the Tagalog WOTD is himay? Well, himay is our root word, and since I'm speaking in present tense, we're using Tagalog affixes. Naghihimay ako ng malunggay. So how do we do himay? I have to ask Pudra to do the himay so I can take the video.
Baka mamaya naiwanan na naman ako ng oras.
Ayun lang. That's all for our Tagalog WOTD. Do you wanna add anything, Mama? What's himay?
Himay.
Wala.
Himay in Ilocano.
Wala. So, ayun, babush! Say bye-bye, Mudra!
Bye!
You're nakatalikod. Babush!
Bye! Bye!
Bye!
Babush! Kailangan pa naming maghimay more.